the question was this. Okay. Check if the array is sorted and rotated. So we are given an array, like if this is the array, so we have to tell whether this it is sorted or no. So if you will see, this is the original array, and the no, no. Okay, so you are given okay, so this is the array. You have to tell whether it is what we have to check is sorted and rotated. So sorted then rotated. So if you will see, this is kind of sorted. If the earlier the array would be 1 2 3 4 5, and if we will like 1 2 3, we will sort it by, sorry, we will rotate it by three positions. So at that case it will become like this. So let me explain you. So the initial array would be something like this: 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so this is the original array. So if we try to rotate it by one position, let's say we are rotating it like this. Okay, so the 5 will come to first, and so and this one will go here. 2 will go one position right, 3 will also go one position to right, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this is like rotation 1 from the original array, and this is rotation number 2 from the original array. Okay, so now it will be, so 4 will come here, so this is the 4, this 5 will be here. 1 2 and 3. So we have given this array. So correct. So now we have to tell whether this is sorted and rotated. So here we did like from the scratch. Now we definitely know this was set. This was sorted, and it was rotated by two positions. Okay. Now, so how would we find? So let me show you my code. Okay, give me a second. So how I tried to solve this? I don't know. This got some index error. I don't know why. But see what I was doing here. So okay, so I will show you. So what was my intention? My intuition was like, I will just check. See if it is sorted. So the current element, so it is like non-decreasing also order. Okay. So the current element should be less than or equal to the next element. Okay. So if it is 1, so the next element is 2, then 3. So like only the catch is here to from where to start, because if you start here, this is not the correct order in which array would be sorted, because you will find 3 4 5 is sorted, but from here you will not find a sequence. So I thought from the intuition I will just find the minimum element from here, then I will start from here: 1 2 3 4 5. How would you travel here, like from one, from how would you move from 2 to index? You can use modulo. Okay, that is simple. Uh, so what I did in this piece of code, I'm trying to find out the minimum element. I just store the index of that element in this variable called index. Then what I was doing, while index is okay, so this is like why this condition while index does not equal to target index. Uh, so see what I'm doing. Initially target index is -1. So till when I should iterate? I should start from here and I should end it here. So that's why I'm doing. Initially target index will be 1. As I so as soon as I enter the loop, I will just like if it's initially the target index value would be 1 -1. So I will just replace it by the index value. So now I have to check if index is not equal to target index. Okay. This is easy, I guess. Now, because it will run the first time, so I have set the target index value as the index. Okay. Now we can calculate next index. Will be simple. The current index plus one modulo n dot length. I will check if next index equal to target index. I think I should check some other code. Give me a second. So I'll check this one. Yeah. So I'm just checking this. If next index equal to target index, it means we have come to the same location, correct? Is it? Yeah. We have come to the, I guess my mouse is not working. Yeah. So let me go to the code. So see what I did. Initially, I found the minimum element, and the index was this. Then as soon as I enter in the while loop, I just set target index will be, I just set target index to 1. So now target index is 1 and index is also 1. Now I'm just increasing index value here. Okay, I'm just modifying index value. So index will be then in next iteration index will be here, then here, then here, then here, then here, then as well as soon as it enter here, the index value will be this same as target index. We will check from while loop and it will come out. Okay, so this is okay. So this is the thing. And what I'm doing, if num index is greater than num of next index. So if one is greater than this is the next index, this is current index. Kind of, okay. So we are returning false because it cannot be greater than this. Int index. I don't know why didn't it work. I have not put any comment here. So see, if we will try to run for this, greater than it will say false. It should be greater than equal, I guess. Then it should work. Is it? Can we try it here? So what I will do, I'll just copy this code. Uh, okay, I copied. I go to code section. We already have the code here, I guess. So what I'm gonna do, Control A, Control V. So we got the code. So I will just see the current element. If it is greater, if it is equal, then there is no problem. Yeah, if it is equal, then there is no problem actually. Oh, I'm like a little bit mm, confused. Okay, so let's go to the actual solution, how I solved this. So they like, the key is here. So if you will see it, there will be, so if you will see this here, so so if it is not rotated, okay, if the rotation number of rotation is 0, so you can see there is a pattern, like you can't see any breaking pattern, so it will be like increasing order, non-decreasing order, I would say. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, then next, if you are rotating it by one, you see 1 2 3 4, your pattern got break here. Not even here, you will start from always start now. So you'll see 5, your pattern got broke here once, then it is like smooth 1 2 3 4. In the num if the rot if the rot number of rotation is 2, so we'll see going smooth. So one like pattern got break here, so this is also smooth. So if we rotate it by one more, so it will be 3 4 5 1 2 3. So if we'll check this, see this is going 5 fine, smooth. So this pattern breaks here, so this is also smooth. uh, let's rotate it one by one more time, so it will become 2 3 4 5 1. You will see this is going smooth till here, then but it is get going to break here. If you will rotate it by one more time, it will become 1 2 3 4 5. So here, like you can see, the rotation there is like totally smooth. So if you'll find, see the we call it like the pattern is breaking one time, one time, one time. If the array is sorted, the pattern can, and here it is like not breaking, it is 0 here. So if the array is sorted, array is if the array is sorted and rotated, so in that case, we are calling just pattern break here. So pattern is breaking one time only, not one time, maximum one time. You can see here. If pattern is breaking more than one time, it can't be like sorted and rotated. So simple. We call it like pattern breaking. We call it inversion. Okay. So like if the expected behavior of arrays to go like this 1 2 3 4 5. So if we find one inversion, it means one time pattern is breaking. Otherwise, it is going smooth. Here also, like one time pattern is breaking, like got break. Otherwise, it is going smooth. So this is called inversion. So the simple logic would be, if we find more than one inversion in the array, it is not sorted and rotated. So if you will see the code, I will show you the solution here which got accepted. Go to the code. Oh my god, what is this? Come on, man. Yeah, so this is the like accepted code what I'm doing here. So I'm just so I've taken one variable count equal to 0, and I'm just iterating over the array. I'm just get this is like the uh, I'm getting the next element. If the current element is greater than next element, I'm just counting plus one. I'm just checking if count is greater than one. I'm returning false. It means there are more than two inversions, so array is not sorted and rotated. So like this was the simple logic. Let's see.